Y'all, early this morning, a tornado hit Tennessee, right downtown Nashville. And I think the death toll is now up to 8 people. But man, wait until you see how these tornadoes left Tennessee. I mean, it is really bad. This one was bad. So this came out March 3rd, 2020, Daily Mail. Tornadoes kill at least 9 in Tennessee. Deadly supercell winds rip through Nashville, injuring multiple people, destroying dozens of buildings, and leaving tens of thousands without power. Wait until you see these pictures, y'all. It is bad. This one was bad. See if I can pull this up so y'all can see. Look at this. It gets even worse. Wow. That's one thing about them trees, man. When they come down, especially those big trees, they can destroy virtually anything in their path. House, car, people. Look at this. Wow. You see bricks all in the streets. They said this one was strong. Look at that. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Mm-mm-mm. Wow, those power lines. That debris is everywhere. That thing had to be bad. In order, they said it was a supercell tornado. Woo! Man, that thing had to be powerful. Look at the buildings. Soda parlor in Clean Juice, East Nashville. 5 Points neighborhood was destroyed in the tornado that hit the city on Tuesday. Wow. I'm sure they did. Looking at this, I'm sure they had to rescue a lot of people. Bill and Shirley Wallace became trapped under rubble during the tornado. Wow. Man, that had to be scary. Okay, this is an apartment complex that got destroyed. Heavy damage to apartment building. Wow. That is scary. And I think that is the thing. Even around here, when we got hit with tornadoes that were just blocks away from my house, it didn't come in this direction, but it was very close. It gets so dark when those tornadoes are about to hit. It's almost like day becomes night. It That's how it got around here. You can't see anything. The visibility is horrible. And that is what makes it even more scarier because you can't see any of the debris that's coming your way. You can't see that mess. Wow. That's another apartment complex. Wow. So this is East Nashville that this thing tore through. Wow. I'm just blown away with all the bricks all over the ground that was ripped off of the homes. Oh, wow. I tell you what, the Most High is not playing. When you see a tornado on this level that can do all of this, man, this thing had to be super powerful. Mm-mm-mm. It's going to take them a while to go around. Just looking at how heavy the damage is, it's going to take them a while. They're going to have to go from house to house to see if more people weren't injured or killed. Music City Cleaners dry cleaning service was left heavily damaged from the 45-mile-an-hour wind that struck Nashville today. Downed power lines could be seen on Ninth Avenue North in Nashville, Tennessee, today after the supercell struck the city. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. Okay, it's just saying that the police did confirm some were dead and multiple victims suffered injuries in the storm. Wow. Mm-mm-mm. Sure hope this business had some insurance. Ooh, that looks bad. Looks like some kind of restaurant, don't it? Yeah, it is. The Geist restaurant brick wall collapsed in the tornado. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. Well, I sure hope anybody that's in Nashville, that's my subscriber, I sure hope you're okay. You and your family. Tornado still confirmed on the ground near Hermitage. This is an extremely dangerous tornado. Take cover now in Wilson County. So it looks like it's the National Weather Service out of Nashville that put that out. 6:55 a.m. March 3rd, 2020. Yeah, you can tell that's the city because you just looking at the buildings, you know it's definitely the city. So thousands without power. Wow. Yeah, and even, even driving through those, areas where there's a lot of debris on the ground can be bad on your tires. Yeah, wow. That's down power lines right there. Just looking at these pictures, man, look, the street sign is down on the ground. That is, that's a horse. Okay, it says it's a horse trailer. Ooh, they got their work cut out for them. Well, ladies and gentlemen, they said the tornadoes and the hurricanes and everything were going to get stronger, and the heat waves were going to be more intense and longer lasting. Last year, when we went through the heat wave, I think two-thirds of the country went through the heat wave. And they were saying even back then, the heat waves were going to be longer lasting. Do not be shocked if heat waves last for 2 straight weeks and people are left without power during those periods because the power grid becomes overloaded. So we certainly were without power for nearly 2 days. So no, it happened to us. So I know, and it was after a tornado that ripped through here. We got left without power. But, luckily we were not hit. Praise to the Most High Yah, we did not get hit. But some of the people in streets behind us did get hit, and some of the businesses were hit. I believe I did show that on video. So, wow. So schools, courts, and transit lines were closed, and some damaged polling stations were moved only hours before Super Tuesday voting was set to begin. So they were supposed to vote, and those places got damaged. It's saying that some damage to polling stations. Boy, this is our Heavenly Father working hard. Woo. I'm telling you, I do not believe the election is going to be what you think, ladies and gentlemen, because of coronavirus. It's going to stop a lot of people in this country from going out and voting now. They're going to be petrified to be in a line next to strangers they don't know. It's not like you can eyeball people until they got the coronavirus. This thing is going to change everything in America. And they're already telling us, the CDC is still saying for us to brace ourselves for the worst. The virus is still spreading across the country. So, I mean, don't let Trump with his, only 15 people got it and it'll be gone, 0 people by this week. That is unrealistic for anybody to believe that. And ladies and gentlemen, do not be shocked if the government agencies are shut down because of the coronavirus. People are bringing that stuff to work with them, or even the White House. You got people that travel overseas. You got people that travel all over the country that work in the White House. You got congressmen and senators that go back and forth between their states talking to constituents and going back to Washington, D.C. The more they make all that contact, the more likely they're going to get the coronavirus. Do not be shocked if that stuff is sweeping through Washington and all of those government locations, including the White House. There is no way they are going to be able to stay free of the coronavirus with the amount of people that they're around on a daily basis. Even your Pentagon, those folks would be impacted too. This is just the beginning. And weather like this is a good example of what's to come. But y'all, please tell me what you think about this, what they call a deadly supercell that hit Nashville this morning. People are dead. Multiple people are injured. Power is out. Buildings destroyed. Homes destroyed. It's a mess. Putnam County and Benson County. Wow. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.